Here I've got OPPO Reno 3, and let me show you some of the secret codes that you can use on this device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, and let me start with the first code, which is *#, 06 pound. And as you can see, this one will provide you with both IMEI numbers assigned to your OPPO. So if you would like to check your device and you need IMEI to do it, smoothly enter this code and then be aware of the specific number. Then let's go to the second code, which is *#, 888 pound. And here we've got engineering mode, so you can smoothly scan this QR code with some other device, and then you will be provided with further details regarding your OPPO. Another code is *#, 809 pound. And here we've got the camera details, so in the first tab you will find aging test, then product line test, here you have after sale test, state verify, and just come along with all necessary details that you want to check and smoothly use your camera then. That would be all for this one. And another code is *#, 6776 and pound at the end, so the same way. And here you can check the software version. So if you would like to check what your model is, Android version, baseband version, kernel, master date version, color version, branch, and many other useful details, smoothly enter this code and here you will find those information. And the last code for your OPPO Reno 3 is *#, so it's a bit different configuration. You've got double asterisk and double pound, then 225, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And as you can see here, you've got the calendar info, so if you would like to check some upcoming events that you have in both your Google Calendar and also in your device's internal storage, smoothly enter this code and do not forget about any important event, anniversary or celebration. And these are all secret codes that you can use in your OPPO. Enjoy and use them as often as you need to. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.